How to reverse selfie on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the camera application on your phone. You are now in the iPhone camera screen. On this screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the reverse icon to reverse the camera to selfie mode. And then, tap on the capture button to take a photo. After that, go back and open the Settings app. Here, scroll down and go to Camera. In the camera setting page, scroll down to the composition section. From here, turn on the mirror front camera switch. Alternatively, go back and open Photos. Tap to open the photo you just took. Here, tap on the edit icon below. Then, tap on Crop. And then, go to the top left corner and tap on the flip icon. As you can see, the photo has now flipped back to the original photo. Tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily reverse selfie on iPhone.